Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. My name is Veronica. I am married to my wonderful husband Noel. I am also the proud mom of two, my 19-year-old daughter and my 12-year-old son. Also part of our family is our beloved dog Leo. Can you guys guess what I do for a living? Comment down below and let me know, what do you think my job is? On this day, we had slept in and we were off to a late start. My daughter was making her breakfast sandwich while I tried to pick up and put dishes away without getting in her way. I always rinse off the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. Comment down below and let me know, do you guys do the same? So I have never used gloves to do dishes or any other household chores. I don't know, I just feel like it slows me down. I recently had a really bad allergic reaction to a dish soap and my hands were so dry and irritated, so I finally gave in and bought these gloves at Walmart. So here I am trying to figure out how to take off the gloves. Like I mentioned, this was my first time wearing gloves to do any chores. So now I'm going to use my Method all-purpose cleaner to wipe down my island and all of my appliances. Here I am emptying out my vacuum and struggling to put the filter back on. My kids were giving me a hard time, telling me that it was backwards, and of course, it wasn't. So, my husband had bought this hamper the day before, and I just used it to carry some shoes upstairs. He also bought these huge containers for our daughter because in just a few months she will be moving out to go to college. And of course, I had gone upstairs to get a cleaner to dust my coffee table, and it did not work, so I just did some dry dusting. And now on to my least favorite chore, the bathroom. This is our guest bathroom and it is very small and very dark in there. And the last thing on today's agenda was to steam mop my floors. I have the Shark Professional Steam Mop. All I have to do is add water and start mopping. And that's it, you guys. I hope I inspired you to clean with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.